Hello everyone, I am Manali Kulkarni, nutritionist in Endo Clinic, Pune. Welcome back to the series of life-changing thoughts about diabetes reversal. Previously we have understood what is diabetes. In the next video we are going to learn about what is diabetes reversal with our expert Dr. Anjali Bhatt, endocrinologist and diabetologist. Ma'am, what is diabetes reversal?
So after understanding what are the basics of diabetes, the question that Manali is interested in knowing is, can diabetes be reversal or whether cure of diabetes is possible. Just to revise what we saw in the last episode, diabetes is basically a mismatch between a person's capacity to metabolize carbohydrate and possibly fat and the amount of carbohydrate and fat that person eats. So if I have to reverse the pathophysiology that is at the background of these abnormalities, what I would need to do is I would need to improve a person's capacity to metabolize these foods, and I would also want to give a food or try to understand what amount and what quality of the food that the person would be able to metabolize properly, which will finally result in normalization of blood glucose in addition to improvement in the basic defect that lies behind the diabetes. So these are the basic differences between just controlling the level of glucose in the blood versus improving the basic science that lies behind these abnormalities. So a few years back, along with Dr. Unnikrishnan sir's team in Chelaram Diabetes Institute, we did a small study based on a scientific publication by Dr. Roy Taylor in London, and we saw that if we give 1000 kilocalorie diet, which we commonly call in scientific terms as low calorie diet, around 50% of patients not only achieve normal blood glucose without medications but also show improvement in their capacity to metabolize carbohydrate in terms of having better secretion of insulin as well as betterment in the parameters that suggest that insulin resistance in a person's body is improving. In this research, what we found is that around 50% of people who are given such a diet reverse to total normalization of blood glucose and improvement in the basic pathophysiology of diabetes. 50% people still remain to have high blood glucose levels and do not become normal and will still require anti-diabetes medications. I think in next series of the videos, we are going to see why this happens and why only 50% people show the reversal of diabetes. Now, there are many other publications and there are many other forms of diets that have shown to achieve this. What it exactly does is low calorie diet with a balanced macronutrients. The macronutrients are carbohydrate, protein and fat. What we did in our trial was 50% carbohydrate, 25% protein and 25% fat. When such a diet was given to a person, we saw that on an average these people lose around 10% of their body weight. So most of these patients are overweight or obese. When they lose 10% of their basic body weight, what we could see that their insulin secretory capacity improves, the parameters that suggest insulin resistance improve, and what Dr. Roy Taylor showed that there is a significant reduction in the fat deposition in liver and pancreas of those persons. Now this is what we talk about as improvement in the basic pathophysiology, improvement in the function of the organ, and then the result would be reduction in the glucose levels. So this would be the real reversal of the process rather than just achieving normal blood glucose levels.
Thank you, ma'am, for telling us about diabetes reversal, and thank you everyone for joining us. In the next video, I would like to know more about why only few people get good result in terms of diabetes reversal and few people not get that easily result. See you in the next session.